Give me whatever problem you want. Your horse is barn sour, your horse is buddy sour, your horse is studdy or marish. That's not the issue. The issue is when they do those things, you can't control left and right. You can't control the steering wheel. So you have to get to a place that with no stimulus and nothing extra, you can control left, right, you can control the steering wheel and the brakes. Then you start trying to set them off. With all of our program from early on, we're trying to make that horse uncomfortable so they'll show us who they really are. And in this situation, this environment, it's the same thing. He's just got in the past couple days where he can walk, trot, canter around the arena without bucking. Immediately, as soon as he's got that 2 days in, now we're adding all these other horses and all the stimulus so that whenever the owner takes him out on the trail, he's not just gonna flip out if another horse acts up.